Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to post on RedNote Social. Here at the bottom, tap on this new post icon or plus icon, and here you will find a bunch of different options to post something to your RedNote. To post a video, select your album and select video. Now from your gallery you can go ahead and select one or multiple videos to post. And to post a photo, select the photo option. And you can go ahead and select one or multiple photos from your gallery to post to your RedNote. And to post a text note, tap on text note. And here you can go ahead and write a status or text note and go ahead and you'll be able to post the text note. And to post by recording a photo or video, select your camera and select photo or video to record and post. Go back and you can also post a live video by selecting live option, and now go ahead and select live option and record your live video to post. So in my case I'm selecting here photo option, so selecting photo and let's select this photo for example to post, tapping on next. Now you can go ahead and add a music to your post. You can add effects, text, sticker, then tap on next. Here you can add a cover photo for the post. You can add a title for the post. You can add a description. You can change the post privacy. Now just tap on post and the photo or video will be posted to your RedNote social account. Thank you.